New Balance highlights its commitment to blending flash with grit through both its athletes and footwear, a philosophy now reflected in the upcoming Hesi Low V2 White and Gray. Inspired by the brand's long-running Gray Days identity, the shoe embraces a neutral palette of gray and cream, enhanced with pre-aged effects on the laces and outsole. It caters not only to stars who shine with stats but also to players whose impact goes beyond the numbers, mirroring the ethos of athletes like Jamal Murray, Tyrese Maxey, Kawhi Leonard, Brink, and Cooper Flagg. With technical improvements and a sleek design, the silhouette balances performance with casual versatility, making it suitable for both competitive games and off-court wear. Releasing on September 1 for $110 via NewBalance.com and select retailers, it reflects heritage, resilience, and refined style in equal measure.